This is the main mall elevator at the mall at Rockingham Park in Salem, New Hampshire. This is a Montgomery elevator. Now I'm going to have to talk over the music to avoid a copyright claim. Yeah, this is a very busy Montgomery elevator, and JCPenney just opened. Because I got here when the mall just opened. And up there's the elevator sign, which you can't really see. Adams, I think. Sign's worn out. Here it is. You will? Just a moment. You all, this thing's bouncy. Wait, here's the date and time. L. Pretty basic mall elevator. I'm gonna clean the lights up. There's fixtures. idiot phone, which the phone was locked. Even though the owner thinks we're going down, we're actually going up. Let's go up to you all one more time and then I'll get back up. 1991, 150 feet a minute. No, ended down at L. Listen to the bell. Jeez. I got stuck in here. That shine box obviously doesn't work. There's your alarm and a genuine stop switch. Whoa. Alright. Well, we can ring the bell one more time. No, we can't. Anyways. We'll close up. There it goes. That's it.